Saan ba? Saan? So, direct. Siyempre sa, karamihan ng mga eksena. Cutie naman eh.
Yeah!
Hindi nakasagot.
Bigel na bigel. Okay, may game tayo with Kim and Pao. Kasama yung fans. Pili tayo ng 8 fans. Ganito lang yan. Ililiberate nyo yung sasabihin ni Kim sa kani Pao. Okay, pili tayo ng mga fans na gustong sumali. Okay, let's go! Alright. What's your name?
Banji.
Banji, let's go. Si Kim. Hulaan mo yung sasabihin ni Kim. I-lip read mo na ha. I-lip read mo. Ready? Go!
Copy po.
Very good! Next naman. Dito, sa'yo to. What's your name?
Maya.
Maya. Si Paolo naman ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go!
Hello, Melo. Hello, babe.
Hello, Gabe! Is correct. O, dito naman. Sino? What's your name? AJ! Kim? Ready ka na, Kim? Next word. Ready? Go!
What's not good?
Yan! Boss mo, cute! Okay, next. What's your name? Rosel. Si Paolo huhulaan mo. Ready? Go! Perfect! Ang bilis! Ito. What's your name?
Sa Hello, Melo.
Ano na? Hello, Mel.
Hello, Mel.
Naloka rin ako dun, Be. Aling. Si Kim ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go!
Ikaw lang sapat na. Ikaw lang sapat na.
Yan! Ikaw lang sapat na. Dito sa harap, dito sa harap, dito sa harap. Okay, what's your name? Juanito! Juanito! Si Paolo ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go! Papakasalan mo ako? Mary!
Dapat yes na lang sinagot mo.
Here, inside up. Ate, what's your name?
Noemi.
Noemi, okay, hulaan mo si Kim. Ako, medyo mahirap-hirap na Noemi. Go!
No mo, Sarah.
Yay! And last one mo, okay, ready?
Mahirap pala.
Medyo mahirap to. Go!
Smack. Quick. Smack. Quick. Smack.
God! Swak, smack, quick, smack. Okay.
Hindi ko rin alam yun.
I know, napakahirap ng place na yun.
Team Nation.
Thank you sa mga nakisali sa ating game. Pao, Kim, may hinandang fan video para sa inyo.
Ay, wow.
I know.
Grabe.
Turn your heads dito sa ating screen. Panoorin niyo yung hinanda ng mga fans para sa inyo.
Well, I think View changed everybody's life because it's always leaving us wanting more after each episode and makes us feel all the kilig and happiness that you can't take away and making us stay up late waiting for the midnight drop of each episode.
Every episode talaga inaabang ako yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Hindi ako natutulog hanggat hindi ko napapanood yung mga new episodes na ilalabas nila. And I'm happy to say na I'm very proud to be part of the Kim Pao family. Kasi talagang iba yung nabibigyan nila ng joy sa akin. Kapag stress ako sa work or stress sa bahay, manood lang ako ng show, nagbibigay sa akin talaga ng good vibes yun.
The Philippine adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim captivates the hearts of the viewers as View combines the two best actors, or I can say great actors of the Philippine industry, and that is Kim and Paolo. They really give the viewers the best experience of Asian rom-com, romantic comedy. So all the cast contributes their best to make What's Wrong with Secretary Kim so engaging and realistic. So each episode actually it's created with touch of Philippine culture, and there's no dull moment in every 20 minutes of viewing time. So I really enjoyed the show.
Kim Pao, phenomenal. They didn't have to tell us anything. Their words, their actions, it's already a confirmation. Although it's a delusional, I'm speaking in a delusional manner, that it's confirmation of what they have, unfortunately.
For me, ito kasi mas rawat Secretary Kim, isa po talaga ito siya nagpapakalma sa akin. As in, I mean, syempre, pagod tayo sa work, puyat, tapos minsan may problema pag dumarating. Alam mo yun? Naging stress reliever ko siya, nakapag-deal ng anxiety ko. Kasi pag pinanood niyo po ito siya, pagkatapos yung panoorin, ang gaan-gaan sa feeling, naka-smile ka, kinikilig.
With Secretary Kim, talagang super kilig na parang nireview ko yung worth ko as a person. Nireview ko yung pagiging ako, yung pagiging happy person ko. Parang it brought myself back, my happy person as I am. So, thank you so much, View. Thank you so much, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. I love Kim Pao. I love View adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Lalo na yung ending. Oh my gosh, parang gusto ko na magpa-renewal of vows na kami mag-asawa dahil sa inyo. Doon sa beach na yon. Saan ba yon? Reveal!
What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Kasi dahil sa show na to, sobrang busog kami sa love, happiness, kilig, lahat yata ng emosyon naramdaman ko na dito. Sobrang mamimiss ko magpuyat, makipag-Twitter party every 12 midnight. Ayun, thank you, especially to my mains, Kim Pao, kasi kayo talaga yung naging source of happiness ko. Marami kayong napasaya. Nakakalungkot kasi tapos na. Iiyak ako. Thank you so much. And we love you, Kim Pao.
Grabe! Kim, microphone please. Reaction nyo sa yung napanood na fan video.
Nakakataba ng puso. Hindi namin in-expect na malaki yung impact sa buhay nyo, sa happiness ninyo, at mas nabibigyan po ng kahulugan yung mga ginagawa namin kapag nakakita po ako ng mga ganitong video. So, kung nagpapasalamat po kayo sa Kim Pao at sa palabas na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, kami po ang personal nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil kayo po talaga yung nagiging inspirasyon namin. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi rin po ganun magiging successful tong show, at hindi rin po ganun magiging malakas yung drive namin para gawin tong palabas na ito. Salamat po sa inyo.
Nice, Pao. Kimi?
Yes, again, maraming salamat. No words can describe kung gaano kami kasaya ngayon sa pagtanggap ninyo. Mapa-online man yan, face-to-face, or mall show, or trending party, or kahit na ano, basta may Kim Pao, nandyan po kayo para supportahan at mahalin kami. Kaya we're very thankful and grateful sa suporta na binibigay po ninyo. And masaya kami na nai-inspire namin kayo. The same way kung paano nyo din kami po nai-inspire sa trabaho at sa araw-araw. Again, thank you so much to View. Maraming salamat for giving us What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, to our directors, our staff, co-actors, sa lahat na bumubuo ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat po.
At lalong-lalo na po sa inyo, sa mga sumubaybay. Salamat po.
Let's have a photo. Kim and Paolo. Ito lang, mag-group photo lang tayo. Tayo na kayo dyan. Makita na kayo, di ba? Smile, everybody. Mabawas na ng ilaw. Mabawas na ng konti ng ilaw. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, and then let's call in the rest of the cast. Jade, Bramble, Romney, Kai, Jillian, Yves.
Thank you so much again, everybody.
Brian, Pete, Kauri. Okay, isang group photo na ulit with the rest of the cast. Kim, Pao, and everybody. Jake is here, Kim Wonchik is here. Grabe, this is the family of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. pwede nyo i-rewatch. Okay? Okay, pataas daw ng mga fans na binigay ng view.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, one more with the view fans.
Thank you.
One more daw po with the view fans. Pakitaas daw po yung mga fans na binigay ng view. Let's go! Yeah. There you go! Thank you, Jake. Magpasalamat tayo, Jake, please. Of course, syempre, Kim and Paolo.
Again, thank you. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo malayong pinanggalingan. Salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo at sa pagsuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Habang buhay po namin, tatanawin to na masasalamat sa inyong lahat. So thank you so much.
Yes, maraming salamat again. Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Pao Squad, Republic, Universe, Kim Nation, Kim Chi Global, mga Paolo, Natix, Kim Pao Team Abroad. Sana wala kaming
Wow, may Team Abroad pa.
Team Kimichu, sa lahat na nandito ngayon. And sa mga nasa taas, again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And nasa baba pala. Thank you so much. And MJ, thank you so much.
Of course, Kimmy, Paolo, maraming salamat. Palapakan natin! The cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat po, Market. Good night. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye-bye! Bow. Ulit. One more. Kimmy, ready, Kim, ready. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim?
Happy Pride! Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Market. Party!
Mapapanood niyo pa rin po What's Wrong with Secretary Kim every weekends, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m., Saturday, Sunday, 8 p.m.
Alright. Well, thank you guys again. Maraming salamat to our partners, ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, CJ E&M, Choco Mucho, Everyday Heaven, Hyundai, Innovate Everyday, Grab. Subscribe to Grab Unlimited and enjoy discounted Grab car rides and free Grab food delivery every day. Efficacy Oil Extreme, your trusted ginawa for sleep problems. Bello, get the swift lift with Linear Firm by Bello. At sa ating ground sponsor, Pediasure Plus, trust the pediatrician's most recommended brand for growth, mag-Pediasure Plus na.
MJ, I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to our team, Direk Chad, Direk Paco, thank you Miss Kathy, Ro, Q, Miss Garlic, everybody from Dreamscape and Q. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Bigyan natin ng malaking palakpakan ang team ng View at Dreamscape.
Alright, can I invite the View Philippines team please on stage? And yeah, isang photo lang, nandun na tayo. This is our family day.
Sila Direk.
Si Direk Chad, Direk Paco. Please, let's join. Row, ang team ng Dreamscape Entertainment. And then after this, we're done. Maraming salamat. Garnet, let's go. View Philippines. Ayan, ito na. One group photo lang, tapos we're done. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta dito ngayon sa Market. Ang nakikita nyo on stage right now is the team behind What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, View Philippines, Dreamscape Entertainment, and the cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
Pwede pong lumipat yung iba dito.
Meron pa kami dito.
Meron pa po dito.
Pwede kayo dito.
Maluwag pa po dito para lang center.
Pwede kayo dito.
Closer, closer, closer.
Hindi kami
Okay.
nangangagat.
Ayan, yung bagong kasal daw ay Este, yung bida pala. Grabe!